How many matters we have thereafter? After this? I do not know. There is not much matter left. We can take it after some time, but then how long I do not know. It may be.
I'll inform you.
Yes. Call the next one. Just at the end of the board.
Item 2 also same, you will see. Item 2 also similar.
Same. Item 2 also same. So both has to come after.
Yeah, 1 and 2 are connected matters.
1, 2 are at the end of the board.
Item number 4.
Lord, in this matter, the matter was already heard and we have already filed a written argument. I think we will have to
Then you
will
will
go again for fresh hearing.
conduct a rehearing because it's not been
Right.
part heard, isn't it?
Yes. My Lord, if this, I pray that if the matter can come up any other date, my Lord, after 2 weeks. We
You
are
conducted the hearing, Mr.
not already done, my Lord. And
What is the matter about?
this is a service matter, my Lord. This person, my Lord, petitioner, he was working in Shillong Polytechnic, my Lord, as a
Written
instructor.
argument has been filed, you
Already
say.
filed, my Lord,
But then office note says it has not been filed.
No, my lord,
Only from the state
my
side.
lord,
my
our
Lord.
written argument is ready. If we can file it today, my lord, that is not an issue.
See, like written argument means whatever. If you file it also,
We'll go for
Hearing have to take place, my lord.
anyway, just what is the thing? What is the
My Lord, he was working in as an instructor, my Lord, in Shillong Polytechnic, my Lord, and he was absent for some time. And thereafter, my Lord, what has happened? He gave his resignation also, but that was not accepted. And thereafter, my Lord, he was allowed to join back the service. He joined back the service. He was
he
allowed.
was on unauthorized lift?
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
No action was taken.
No. And
Then he resigned.
He resigned from the service
Resignation was not-
because his grievance was he was not given promotion in spite of the fact that service rule provides such promotion, my lord. But he was not given, and therefore, my lord, he put a resignation letter, but that was not accepted. And he was again allowed to join back the service. He joined back the service, my lord. In spite of joining back the service and in spite of an order of this court, my lord, the principal, my lord, he did not allow him to continue with the work. Till now, my lord, it is at that stage only, my lord. He is not given any work, my lord.
Is he getting his salary?
No, my lord, that even salary is not being paid.
That's not a fact, my lord.
My
The
lord,
day the argument takes place, my lord, I'll not appraise this honorable court, which the true facts, my lord.
If a person is not allowed to resign, person is not allowed
No, my lord,
to...
resignation, my lord, resignation could not take effect for the conduct of the petitioner itself. There's a certain requirement which is
Was
to
there
be...
any proceeding pending against him
no.
at the time when he resigned?
No, my lord, when the resignation was, my lord, he had tendered his resignation, my lord. There was a letter from the government saying that you kindly do these these are the things which are required, because, my lord, he had gone on study leave, my lord, which was funded by the government, my lord. So there are certain formalities which he had to complete, my lord, in order to process the, my lord, the resignation, his resignation, my lord. But it is the conduct of the petitioner. He has not
My lord,
certain things which were required to be done on his part, my lord.
fact remains,
He
my
did
lord,
not
he
do
is
that.
still in service, my lord. Unless and until he is discharged by an order of the government, my lord, he is still in service. And but his payment is not been given, and he is not even given with the work also to continue, my lord. In spite of the order of this
My
court.
lord, the petitioner's conduct, the next date, my lord, when the hearing takes place, my lord, I'll appraise this honorable court, my lord. What is the conduct of the petitioner? Whether he deserves any consideration, my lord.
Okay. When do you want it? After 2?
After 2 weeks, my lord.
As prayed for by the parties. This is matter after 2 weeks. And then make sure we finish it.
My lord, will
Because there I have seen many service matters pending from 2016. So ultimately what purpose it serves, I do not know. Whether you are out of service from when? 2018.
My lord, he has gone on study leave in the year 2009,
This
my
is a
lord.
case of 2018.
yes, my lord.
And then from when you are out of service?
My lord, he is out of service from, his resignation was tendered in the year 2011, my lord. And he had gone on study leave in the year 2009. Since then,
The case was filed in 2018.
18, my lord. Yes.
Why? After so much of delay?
No, my lord. My lord, I have to go through again, my lord, with the facts, my lord. I do not remember as on today.
Okay, after 2 weeks.
Oblige.
All right, my lord.
Item number 9.
My lord, because of some personal difficulty, Mr. H. Kharmi could not be present today for the state respondent, my lord.
You are there.
But then the brief
You are very experienced man.
The
You can-
brief
you
is
can handle.
actually handled by him, so I am a bit handicapped today, my lord. Otherwise, the petitioner is there.
So
I
then
think.
there will be no work remaining for me.
If it can come up next week, my lord, I am praying. In the meantime, we'll get ready with all the. Otherwise, a round of hearing was already conducted by the other bench, but then it has to be again appraised, my lord. So,
Yes, Mr. Gurum.
My lord, this is a matter. The petitioner was charged under this was under
foreigner side.
469, 471, read with section 14 of Foreigners Act. The trial court below, after the
What is 469, 471?
there is
Forgery related.
and using false documents as genuine. And section 14 of the Foreigners Act is overstaying in India after the expiry of the visa. The learned trial court below, after hearing, came to a finding that the petitioner herein was discharged from the mischief of both the sections from the IPC and was convicted under section 14 also. And the petitioner is before your lordship.
Okay.
Next week, my lord, we'll somehow arrange.
Oh, Mr. Kharmi is here.
You want to do the hearing? I said next week.
Shall we proceed with the case?
Shall we proceed?
Let it be not next week, Lord. Next week. My
You say he
written
is
argument
unavailable.
also.
Now he is available, but even then the prayer remains the same.
My lord, we are.
My written argument also, Lordship, it's ready. I'll file it.
See,
today
Pratham, first I need to hear your oral argument, then the question of written argument.
Obliged, Lord.
Okay, next week.
Next week.
Prayed for by the counsel for the respondent.
Obliged. Next week.
Item number 13.